What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll start our review list with the Eufy Robovac 11S, aka the best budget robot vacuum available on the market in 2021. If you want to save money and still get a solid product with all the crucial qualities, this fella is the right choice for you. Anchor Eufy Robovac 11S is ideal for anyone who has pets at home, as well as small children. The device can clean a wide range of surfaces and also goes under furniture, where it removes dirt and hair that you cannot see or is hard to reach. It also offers 2 filters that make the cleaning process more efficient, with a suction power of 1300 PA. The device's thin profile of 72.5 mm will ensure that your entire apartment is accessible for the cleaner, including hidden corners is always clean. The innovative Boost IQTM technology increases the power of the vacuum cleaner and is one of the features we quite like. Also, Robovac uses fall detection technology to avoid falling from stairs or any other more critical surfaces, keeping the gizmo safe and sound. This robot vacuum automatically returns to the charging base when the power is low, ensuring that it's always charged and ready for suction. With a single full charge, the device can vacuum for up to 11 minutes. Also included in the mix is the 0.6-liter dust tank. Additionally, thanks to its innovative modern design, it fits perfectly into any home and is quite aesthetically pleasing. The Eufy Robovac 11S robot vacuum comes in black. It has the size of 12.8 by 12.8 by 2.85 inches, as well as a weight of 5.73 pounds. This vacuum cleaner cleans all types of hard floors and carpets thanks to its 3-layer high-performance filter. It can get over thresholds of up to 1.6 centimeters or around 0.6 inches. To adapt as much as possible to the needs of users, the product comes with 3 different cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and single room. The package also includes one 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery. For such an affordable price, this guy cannot be beaten. If you want to get the best bang for your buck, our next product is your ideal fit. Meet the iRobot Roomba 675, aka the best value robot vacuum on the market in 2021. iRobot Roomba 675 is supported by a series of intelligent sensors and a powerful cleaning system, freeing your daily routine from dust, dirt, and pet hair. Thanks to the 3-stage cleaning system, the device collects dust, dirt, and other impurities from carpets and hard floors. Also, it can learn your cleaning habits and suggest schedules to suit your needs, which is pretty awesome. The gizmo also recommends things that you may not think about yourself. For example, additional cleaning during the allergy season. iRobot Roomba 675 works with voice assistant, allowing you to give direct house cleaning orders. It utilizes double brushes for different surfaces, a specially designed side brush, and powerful vacuum suction. Brushes for different surfaces work together to catch dust, dirt, and large deposits, thoroughly cleaning the floor. The first brush releases, lifts, and sucks dust, dirt, and hair from floors and carpets, while the second one accelerates the movement of dirt into the suction channel. A complete range of advanced sensors allows control of the 600 series under and around furniture and along the edges. The cliff detect system prevents the robot from falling down the stairs. The product automatically connects to the power supply and charges after cleaning. The dirt detect feature directs your robot to dirtier areas of your floor, including areas that are hard to reach, and cleans them more thoroughly. What we quite like is that it doesn't take extra time to adjust the device to your floor. The self-adjusting cleaning head automatically adjusts the height for efficient cleaning of carpets and hard floors. The side brush is specially designed at a 27-degree angle to move debris from the edges and corners of the cleaning path and suck them off the floor. The next product on our review list is the Neato Botvac D7, which deservedly won the title of Best Smart Robot Vacuum available on the market in 2021. Neato Robotics is a high-tech company a direct competitor of all the leading brands in the field. The company stands out with the production of robust robots with advanced navigation technology known as the Laser Smart. It accurately scans every corner to achieve greater efficiency in cleaning the space. This model has taken a step forward in the search for perfection when cleaning the floor of your home and maintaining it in perfect hygienic conditions. It's designed to offer you the greatest comfort in that there are no dust, hair, and garbage particles of any kind in the environment. The device moves exactly the way an intelligent robot should move in straight lines, not randomly. The laser technology allows cleaning even in the dark. The D7 allows you to target specific areas in your home more often. For example, you can create a dining area and send a robot to take care of all those crumbs that fall to the floor. With the multiple floor plan function, Botvac D7 can store up to 3 different floor plans. You can establish boundary lines on each of the floors and also tell your robot where not to go. Also included in the mix is the turbo mode that grabs even the deepest and filthiest dirt by accelerating the brush and increasing the suction power. The robot's unique D-shape and oversized center brush allows it to reach dirt in the corners much better than other robots. The battery lasts up to 120 minutes, which is ideal for larger homes. If your robot needs extra power to complete the cleaning cycle, the fast charge function allows your robot to charge just enough to get the job done quickly again. Great stuff. Let's now step into the premium domain with the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. If you can spare a few extra dollars to get a truly top-level device, we say go for it. This robotic vacuum cleaner utilizes the CleanBase self-discharge base station for the most efficient cleaning in the industry. It utilizes an advanced 3D sensor, a powerful cleaning system, and the perfect edge technology. This is all premium stuff, delivering 30% wider double rubber rollers and a specially designed corner brush. Each brush has a special rubber surface that is always in contact with the floor in a wide range, from solid surfaces to carpets. The device adapts to all environments and can successfully remove even the smallest particles, such as dust and dirt, as well as hair and larger debris. The specially designed corner brush has 5 legs that grab the waste from the most inaccessible corners with ease and direct them to the path of the robot, which then sucks them up. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus automatically empties the container into a sealed bag that can hold 30 empty containers with dirt, dust, and bristles, so you can completely forget about every aspect of vacuuming for a few weeks at a time. We also like how the device automatically increases the suction power on carpets and collects dirt that is hidden deeper in the carpet fibers. The 3-stage cleaning system thoroughly picks up dirt and hidden pet hair. The onboard V-SLAM navigation technology helps the cleaner collect data by using a 1.3 GHz 4-core processor to create an accurate map of your home. Imprint Smart technology allows you to choose which rooms you want the robot to clean. Some vacuum cleaners can release dust and dirt back into the room air when vacuuming. The S9 Plus has an integrated filtration system that collects and retains up to 99% of pollen and other allergens. Also, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus automatically empties the container into a bag that can hold up to 30 containers of dust, dirt, and hair, so you can completely forget about cleaning for a few weeks. The closed bag effectively retains dust so that it doesn't return into the room. Thanks to Imprint's smart mapping technology, the smart robotic vacuum cleaner gets to know your home, so you can choose via iRobot Home, Google Now, or Alexa Assistant which rooms you want the robot to clean and when. The next product is Roborock S5 Max. It delivers premium performance, has high durability, and the best price-quality ratio on the market. Therefore, we decided to award the title of the best overall robot vacuum that you can find in the market in 2021. Treat yourself with clean, freshly wiped floors every day with the S5 Max. This device is specially designed for automatic operation and is equipped with a large water tank, a water level control. Essentially, it does everything by itself. Combined with precise laser mapping, advanced technology, and powerful vacuuming, you get a top-level product. All you have to do is make the basic adjustments and get on with your daily routine. You can also use the app to select the right water flow for each type of floor. For example, a small flow for stone floors and a large flow for cleaning greasy kitchen floors. When the robot completes the task, it turns off the water to allow the scrubbing fabric to dry as it returns to the charging station. Very cool. You can set up areas that do not require scrubbing and areas with limited access to the walls, giving you complete control. The S5 can learn the layout of your home with a laser rangefinder that rotates at 300 RPM. Using this data, the device will generate a floor plan with an accuracy of 98%, allowing it to automatically recognize rooms. This means you can schedule the cleaning of a room, or several rooms, or the whole house with just a few simple steps on the phone. Equipped with a powerful 32-bit quad-core processor, the product offers outstanding processing power. Not only is he able to generate a map of the house, but he understands the shape of the room and learns where the obstacles are. Furthermore, it uses this knowledge to transform your movement, as it can calculate the most efficient path for each room and the best way to avoid obstacles. Multi-level mapping systems use precise LiDAR scanning to automatically identify different levels of the house. The robot automatically detects what level it's at without the need to open the Roborock application. It is equipped with environmental sensors that help you perform your tasks safely. The Robot S5 Max is equipped with a specialized fan that rotates at 15,000 RPM and directs the flow of air through carefully designed paths. The system generates enough suction power to lift AA batteries, which allows continuous cleaning for up to 3 hours on a single charge. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.